Hello friends, welcome to Queen Bee Paradise. Today's video is one of the most requested video and it's from my kitchen series. Many of you had requested me to post a video on my kitchen cleaning routine, especially on how I clean the tough oil stains and maintain the kitchen cabinets clean and shiny. So today I'll be sharing with you few easy methods that I follow in my kitchen to clean the oil deposits from my kitchen chimney and cabinets. In this method, we can clean the tough oil stains in a very easy and effortless way without any heavy scrubbing. I'm sure you will find this video useful. I have shared few important precautions and tips in this video, so I request you to watch the video completely without skipping. Before getting started, please subscribe Queen Bee Paradise and hit the bell so you won't miss any new videos from this channel. First, let us see how to clean the oily and greasy kitchen chimney filters effortlessly without making a mess. I've been waiting for around 3 months and allowed the oil stains to get accumulated so that I could make a video now to show you how effortlessly it can be cleaned without scrubbing. I learned this process from a professional chimney service person and happy to share it with you today. It is important to use a hand gloves while cleaning the chimney. Remove the chimney filters carefully by opening up the lock like this. This cleaning method can be used on any kind of stainless steel chimney filter. Mine is a baffle filter. Place the dirty chimney filters in a plastic tray. I'm using an old unused kids bathtub for this. If you do not have a huge one, you can place the filter in a small tray and clean it one at a time. I'm using caustic soda to clean this. It's easily available in hardware stores. It's also available online. Please do check out the link in the description box. Ensure to follow all these precautions before starting the cleaning process with caustic soda. Do not forget to use hand gloves. Caustic soda can cause mild irritation in hands. Use caustic soda only on stainless steel or plastic material, not on any other material. Caustic soda might react on some materials like aluminium, etc. Keep caustic soda away from children for safety. Open space is better for this cleaning process. I'm doing this in the balcony of my home. Spread out 2 hands full of caustic soda evenly on the dirty filters. I'm storing the remaining caustic soda safely in this airtight plastic container. Pour some hot water till the filters gets completely covered. I have poured around half a bucket. Leave it undisturbed for half an hour to 1 hour. Now the water gets completely discolored and turned brown. This is due to the dissolved oil and dirt from the chimney filters. Now remove the filter from the water. You can see it has become clean and free from oil stains without any scrubbing. Now clean it once with a little dishwashing liquid. Use a toothbrush to clean the ridges of the filter. Wash it with plain water. That's it. The filters are shining like new ones without much efforts on scrubbing. Now let's see how to clean the oil stains on the top of the chimney, laminates and tiles. For this, you can use sift cleaner if you prefer. It works fine on oil stains. I generally use a DIY oil and grease cleaner for this. To make the DIY cleaner, mix equal quantity of dish soap, vinegar and water, say 1 cup each. Pour them in a spray bottle and shake well. Spray it on the chimney, laminates and tiles with oil stains and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Scrub it gently using a sponge or a scrub. If oil deposits are more on the chimney, use some more dish soap and scrub it gently. Don't be too harsh, the black coating could peel off. Use a toothbrush to clean the minute parts of the chimney and the joints of the tiles. Now, in order to clean the soap off, I generally use this reusable non-woven kitchen towel for cleaning. These towels are very good. It absorbs water and removes dirt very well. They can be washed and reused a few times before disposing. Using a wet towel, I am wiping it nicely 2 to 3 times. I am assembling the baffle filters again in the chimney. That's it, our chimney and tiles are sparkling clean without much efforts. I use the same DIY cleaner to clean all the cabinet doors to maintain them clean and shiny. I am scrubbing it gently with wet non-woven kitchen towel. I am not using a scrub here to avoid scratches. After cleaning, ensure to wipe them dry to avoid any water damages to the wood inside. That's it, it looks sparkling clean within few seconds. The same DIY cleaner can be used to clean the kitchen countertop and the gas stoves as well. That's it, all oil stains are cleaned effortlessly without much scrubbing. Please check out my under the sink organization video for details on how to avoid dampness, fungus, cockroaches in the kitchen cabinets. I will ensure to leave the link in the description box. I hope you have already watched my entire kitchen series of 5 videos. If no, please do watch the videos from the playlist link that I have provided in the description box. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.